The Hyundai Elantra key fob uses a split case design with a release button on the side. Locate the small indentation or arrow marking the release button on the side seam of the fob. Press this button to disengage the internal clip, allowing the two halves to separate without tools. Avoid metal tools to prevent scratches or damage to the plastic, and ground yourself to prevent static electricity from damaging the circuits. Once the key fob is open, you'll see a CR2032 lithium coin cell battery. Note the battery's orientation with the positive side up before removing it. Remove the old battery and insert the new CR2032 battery in the same orientation, positive side up. Reassemble the fob by aligning the two halves and snapping them shut until you hear a click. If needed, reset by pressing the lock and unlock buttons. Replace the battery every 1 to 2 years. If the release button jams due to dirt, clean it with compressed air. For 2022 to 2023 models, protect against water damage by applying silicone sealant around the seams.